So Jay, you remember that book you got me for Christmas?
Yep.
How to improve our YouTube videos?
This is called a walk and talk. Can I just say, what we're doing now, this is all Sean's idea, that he didn't want to be by the beautiful map. He said, oh, no.
No, we just filmed one in the blistering sunshine.
And now the sun's gone in.
Anyway, today we're
for?
talking about what's open in low season. Jay, what is low season first?
Why have you got an umbrella looking like a granddad walking?
like it.
It's nice, isn't it? Okay, well, low season is after...
You're talking about my umbrella. You're gonna... What's that?
It's a shark.
Anyway, whatever.
Anyway, low season is a time between the end of April, so like the 1st of May, basically.
The camera lady's laughing at you.
I know the camera's laughing, and she's meant to keep it still, but she's not walking.
I'd go that way if I was you, darling. You're going to walk in the cafe.
Well, we should slow down. This whole idea of having someone film us as we're walking hasn't really worked out, is it?
No, it's cool. It's a great idea.
Is it? Okay, just checking.
All the YouTubers doing it. It's in the book you gave me for Christmas.
I know, but Fang looks like she's about to fall in the sea if she's not careful.
I did tell her we're going to walk to McDonald's.
We should slow down a little bit.
We really should do this video.
Okay. Anyway, low season is between May 1st and up until November 1st. That's when what's called low season or rainy season. Fang, would you keep walking? We've got to walk as well.
Yell at the new staff.
I'm not yelling at the new staff, but she's not doing what we tell her to do.
Oh my gosh.
Anyway, that's low season. And during low season, some of the islands do close. This is really hard to keep up to pace because I'm walking really slowly. So what we're here to do is tell you which islands are closed and which tours you can go on.
So anyway, Jay, the islands that are open during this low season, we have the major ones. We have Phi Phi.
Yes.
We have Phang Nga Bay,
Yes.
which is James Bond Island. We have Hong Karabi.
Yes.
We have Russia, Kai,
Yes.
Coral, Mai Ton. Actually, it's quite a lot that's open.
There is.
We did do a video recently about all the tours of 5-Star Marine.
Yes, we did. It's called All the Tours at 5-Star Marine.
Nearly every one of those is still available in low season.
It is, but we should say that the wind comes from different directions during low season or rainy season or green season, whatever you want to call it.
Kyle, do the mappy thing where it's...
Yeah, that's right. So if you are, PP is still open apart from between August the 1st and October the 1st. Maya Bay is closed.
But PP is open during that time.
And you can still go to the front end and see Maya Bay. You just can't go onto the beach. You can't go to the back end and actually get on Maya Bay. However, PP is open, but during the low season, the waves can get a little bit choppy chop going that way.
Don't worry, because we do a weather update the day before and we'll tell you exactly what the weather's going to be like.
What we should do, Sean.
And we also have it on our board that you created.
Well, that's right, but we should do a whole video on the weather.
Oh, yeah, we did that.
Yeah, we did do that.
Yeah, it was hot.
Should we walk back that way now?
No, I'm like...
No, I want to see Fang walk back that way.
Yeah, Fang walk back that way.
There we go. So we're going to walk back. This is good, isn't it? This is fun. I quite like this. So the tours you can go on.
Yes, for those who are thinking about it, and Kyle, let's cut in what you can do in these tours.
Yes.
We've got Phang Nga Bay.
Yes, Phang Nga Bay.
That's where we're going to do a little bit of kayaking through the mangroves. You're going to kayak through the caves. You're going to see the lagoons. You're going to see James Bond Island itself. We even have our bioluminescence.
I was going to say bioluminescence.
Yes.
What about Samjit Nasariri?
You can do some at Nangshi as well. Then you also have Hong Karabi.
Oh, I like Hong Karabi. Great viewpoint at Hong Karabi.
Yeah, it's got nice snorkeling. It's got also a beautiful lagoon.
That's right.
And we have our new tour where we combine both of those into the same tour.
Are you laughing as much as I am watching?
Yes, so
this is great.
We should do this more often.
I know. What we need is someone to film this.
Can we do this while we're running next time?
Oh,
Fang's got to run backwards.
Let's get the speed up a little bit. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Anyway, so on top of that,
Kai Islands are open. Coral Islands open.
Mai Ton's
open. Ratcha's open. Very nice. Phi Phi's open.
So if you want to snorkel, it's those last ones. Phi Phi, Mai Ton, Ratcha.
And listen, you can do all this during low season. I mean, they call it the rainy season, but it doesn't rain all the time. It really doesn't. Some days it's like this where it's just really humid and there's no rain. It is hot.
You sweated about 8 kilos before.
I did. Well, then again, I'm dressed as a
I do
shark.
have the umbrella just in case.
There you go.
I doubt it's going to rain.
Hey, that was good filming. And this was all Sean's idea. Sean, the director, old Steven Spielberg here. This is all your idea, this little walk. I like it.
That's it, guys. I'm out.
Oh, is that it? He's gone. So anyway, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. And if you do like Sean's directing of this new handheld video, then comment below and say Sean is awesome, because Sean's awesome. There we go. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Wait, then I'm gonna
go on.
Fang, you're gonna go that way, pan, and have the boat in the background.
Oh, okay. And
we're gonna go this way.
We're gonna go. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I love
that. Ready?
Yeah, go.
3, 2, 1, go. No, don't pan
the way.
Pan with us.
No. This hasn't worked at all.
Go again.
It hasn't worked at all.
So Fang, you're gonna go this way, and you're gonna keep the camera on us, and then turn the. I'll show you.
Honestly.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Sure. Sean's directing now.
Jay, you're walking.
Do you know what? He's done a couple of TV shows.
Jay,
and
walking.
He thinks he's frigging...
Walking, Jay.
Okay. And so anyway, this is our boat.
There we go, like that. And we're going to end with that shot.
Okay.
We'll not end with it.
No, we're going to
So
do the rest
Carl's
of the
going to edit
video
all
like
this shit
that.
out.
Yeah. Kyle, just so you know, directing 101.
Can I just say, Carl, keep some of that directing bit in because, old director, old William Spielberg. Who's William Spielberg? Steven Spielberg.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.